Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can save ChatGPT conversation in form of PDF file, including images. So to do that, first I have taken some images from my website and changed their names so that I can find them conveniently. Then I have done a long conversation with ChatGPT by uploading the images one by one. Now to save it as PDF file, click on this share button and it will copy the link of this long conversation. Remember, it's a private chat on your account, but whoever you will provide with this link will be able to see this conversation. Anyhow, open the conversation on another tab and make sure that it opened the full conversation. If you copy the link of a certain section of the conversation, it will open that one section only. Since I want to save the full conversation including the images, I'm copying the link of the full conversation by clicking on this share button. Anyhow, to save it as PDF file, select the full conversation and right-click on any selected part of the conversation. And then click on print. It will open the print window by loading the preview. Well, here you will see the last option you may have selected while printing. So if you see some other option here on this destination field, change it to save as PDF file. Then select the remaining options according to your needs. And then click on Save. It may or may not ask you to name it and select the destination folder. And then click on Save. And here you can see that it's been saved as PDF file. Now open it and check it. And here you can see that the full conversation has been saved, including images. And this is how you can save the ChatGPT conversation in form of PDF file, including images. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.